This repair video for the P2178 error code is specifically tailored for Mercedes drivers. If your Mercedes is showing up P2178 code, this is for you. This means that the ECM has detected an excessively rich air-fuel mixture when the engine is off idle, on the side of the engine containing cylinder 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Sensor issues, fuel system problems, intake system issues, exhaust system issues, faulty PCM or ECM. Here are 3 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. MAF Sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Fuel injectors. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals and never use the old seats over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set. Otherwise, the engine will run unevenly. To prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it, so the seals may get wet with gasoline and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. Modify the oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter by putting extra space between the sensor and the converter. And now getting the smart plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor, and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, put them together and put back on the catalytic converter. This error code can appear in a wide range of vehicles, particularly those with fuel-injected engines from American, European, and Asian manufacturers like Mazda, Infiniti, Kia, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Hyundai, Cadillac, Volkswagen, BMW, Pontiac, Chevrolet, and Dodge vehicles. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.